Hey everyone, I'm Heba and welcome back. I've got another unboxing for you guys, and this time it is by Lookfantastic and it's for the month of March. And look at the cover. I really do like this one. Very nice cover. Let's see what the quote is on the inside of the lid. In a world where you can be anything, be yourself. I like that. And it comes with a little booklet that lets you know what's inside this box. And you know what? All right. Here it is. I didn't open it yet, and I don't see the Elle magazine because there's usually an Elle magazine inside the subscription box, and I don't read it. It goes straight into the recycling bin, so let me make sure. Let me open it here. There's no magazine. I'm kind of happy about it. I mean, I'm sure it's a nice magazine, but I don't read it, and I really don't see the point of putting it in this box because it produces waste. Let's see if they say anything about it inside this little booklet here. No, they don't say anything about why they're not doing the Elle magazine in here anymore. Maybe mine was a fluke and it didn't have it in that one, but I'm kind of liking it. I hope they do this every month. But on the back of the booklet, it gives us a little sneak peek, and it just says Bella Pierre Peach Blossom. Oh, it's a peach blossom palette. So next month we'll be getting a peach palette. I like that. So that's something to look forward to. But let's go ahead and see what's inside this month's box. And I could already see something that I like, this brand that I like. It's by Rituals. You know I love Rituals. And it's the shower oil, and this one is my husband's favorite, so he's gonna be really happy about this one. It's the Ritual of Ayurveda. Just as Indian rose and sweet almond oil are the base of the Ritual shower oil, which will leave your skin feeling soft and your mind at ease. You get 75 mils of product in here, and it costs £4, 4 British pounds 90. Ooh, another brand that I really like is Rodeo, and it's the Bee Venom Cleansing Foam. It's an anti-aging wonder ingredient that smooths your complexion, plumps fine lines, and decongests your skin of any dirt and impurities. Okay, you get 20 mils of product, and this one costs 13 British pounds. Wow, that's a lot of money. Yeah, Rodeo is a pricey brand. All right, the next product here is by Grow Gorgeous Repair. Formulated with caffeine to stimulate your roots, oat lappets to lock in moisture, and hyaluronic acid for that silky, soft finish. You get 30 mils of product, and this one costs 3 British pounds 75. All right, we get something else here for the hair. It's called Hair Burst Chewable Hair Vitamins. You get 30 in here. Okay. Start your journey to healthy, luscious hair locks. These vitamins combat effects of heat styling, coloring, and aging. Taken regularly, research shows that 90% of users notice faster hair growth. I'm a little skeptical of hair vitamins, to be all honest, so this one I will probably put it in a future giveaway or give it to a friend. So this is a 15-day supply, so you take 2 a day, and this one costs 12 British pounds 49. All right, something from Madeira. It's Time Miracle Wrinkle Resist Eye Cream. Okay, if you saw my empties, I did have to get rid of one eye cream, and it was by Madeira, so I'm hoping this could be the same one. No, because this one's in the white too. But I did like that eye cream. Maybe this one will be just the same. Let me read what it says here. It targets signs of tiredness and aging, as well as tackling fine lines and wrinkles. It's a smoothing formula that hydrates the eye area. That will give you more younger, more radiant skin. Wow, this one you get 15 mils of product, and it costs 35 British pounds. Wow, okay. I'm happy with this one because, like I said, I got rid of the other one and now I have a new one, but it's a different one. All right, we have a small, tiny sample of a product by Elizabeth Arden. Wow, I haven't tried anything from Elizabeth Arden in years. This is a skin renewal booster designed to restore your skin's natural ability to repair and renew. You get 5 mils of product, and this one costs £7 50. This little product right here, £7 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 products in here, but they're actually 7 products. I have this liquid lipstick, it looks like, but let me make sure. Yeah, it's a lip cream by Bella Pierre. Maybe that's something extra that they're giving us because it's not even listed in here. Well, all right, score. We got something extra. And it looks to be, you know, like a pretty pinky nude, but I don't like liquid lip cream because it dries out my lips. So again, I will probably be putting this one in a future giveaway. Wow, I can't see the name of it. Something maybe Incognito? think that's the name of it. Everything's so small. Oh my goodness. But all right, we have a free product in this month's box. I like it. Well, alright, this one looks to be like a good box with Rituals, Rodeo, and this eye cream by Madeira. The only thing I'm not too thrilled about is the hair vitamins, but everything else looks really nice. Well, alright you guys, thank you so much for watching this unboxing by Lookfantastic. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And you all have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.